welcome to Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends and creativity begins. This video is brought to you in cooperation with the 21st CCLC program, which is funded by the Nita M. Lowell Grant. If you were able to pick up one of our summer school kits, then you have all that you need for this particular project. If not, or you're seeing this video later, have no fear, we're going to go over your supply list now. For this project, you will need fabric or scraps of ribbon, yarn, rope, different kinds of material that you would like to use to wrap your tin can. You can also use burlap, magazine scraps, or you can paint the tin cans with acrylic paint to cover up the metal outside. Otherwise, you can leave it as is and decorate the inside. It's one of those projects that's really versatile, but the key here is that you are recycling or upcycling the tin can to create something new. In each of the kits for summer school, you received a little tiny white Elmer's glue, some ribbon, 2 different kinds. You also received some colored pipe cleaners and some burlap ribbon or burlap fabric, as well as some magazine pieces. If you don't have these, then like I said, it's really versatile and you can use whatever you have around you. You are going to take the fabric first, wrap it around your tin can, and glue that down as your base. You can use the white Elmer's glue that came in the kit, or like I'm doing here, and use hot glue. With this project, it's also nice to mix your media. So if you want to use fabric and magazine scraps together, that is a nice change of texture. So it makes your can organizer that much more interesting. You can also use ribbon, you can make it a hanging organizer or standalone organizer on its own, or you can glue it together with multiple tin cans to create a multiple compartment organizer. For this final version, I used recycled blue jeans, some recycled work pants, magazine clippings, some keyboard keys, from an old keyboard that we have that doesn't work, as well as some buttons. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe down below. And stay tuned for more videos from me and the 21st Century program. And have a good one.